All right, so listen, becoming friends with your crush can be exciting, okay? Here's some simple steps to help you. Number one, start casual conversations. Find opportunities to talk, whether in class, events, or through social media. Ask about her interests and hobbies, okay? They love talking forever. Number two, find common interests. Discover shared activities or topics that you both enjoy. This can help create a connection. Number three, be approachable, all right? Be approachable. Smile, show open body language. Being friendly makes it easier for them to approach you. Know who you are. Be confident. Nobody wants to talk to a raisin. Number four, join group activities. Participate in clubs or groups, events, wherever they are involved. So this creates a relaxed environment for bonding, okay? Be yourself. Authenticity is key. Show your true self. Let your personality shine. Number six, take it slow. Don't rush things. Building friendship takes time, so be patient, okay? Number seven, be supportive. So, showing that you care by being there for them when it's needed, or whether it's listening or cheering them on. By taking these steps, you can develop a genuine friendship with your crush. And just remember something. The more you get to know her, you might not like her anymore, okay? So, don't put too much pressure on yourself.